Hello friends. Welcome to my channel NutriGyan.
Today I will share some important facts about your BCAA supplement. So, let's get started. Amino acids. Proteins are made from long strings of molecules called amino acids. Amino acids do various things. Build cells and repair tissue. Create energy. Form antibodies. Take part in the enzyme and hormonal system. Build RNA and DNA. Carry oxygen throughout the body. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. Muscles cannot grow without them. Branched chain amino acids, or BCAAs, are a special group of amino acids. The benefits of BCAAs include less muscle fatigue, faster recovery, higher levels of other amino acids, and better protein absorption. Branched chain amino acids. The branched chain amino acids are a group of 3 essential amino acids: leucine, Isoleucine, Valine. The branched chain group is different from other essential amino acids in that they are mostly metabolized in skeletal muscle instead of the liver. Functions. Protein synthesis. Muscle protein synthesis is when amino acids combine to form muscle tissue. Protein synthesis stimulates insulin production, which allows blood sugar to be taken up by the muscle cells and used as energy. This insulin production promotes amino acid uptake by the muscle. Delay fatigue. BCAAs can move through the blood to the brain and decrease the production of serotonin in the brain's interior, thereby lowering mental fatigue by reducing the amount of serotonin. So supplementing with them during a workout could keep you fresher, so you can work harder. Reduce muscle damage and soreness. BCAAs may relieve soreness caused by the strain and inflammation of exercise. Support immunity. Strenuous exercise can result in reduced immunity, which may be due to a decrease in the amino acid glutamine, a fuel for immune cells. BCAAs can be converted into glutamine in muscles. Why BCAAs are important. Even a fast-digesting protein like whey can't get nutrients to your muscles as efficiently as a pure amino acid supplement. Pure BCAAs quickly flood the bloodstream and amino acid pools. While whey protein is absorbed quickly, it does not create the same metabolic response. In a recent review of studies, scientists found that 3 factors seem to be important for limiting exercise-related muscle damage through BCAA supplements. First, you may need to consume a daily dose of at least 200 mg per kilograms of body weight. For example, if you weigh 165 pounds, 75 kilograms, you would need to take a dose of at least 15 grams of BCAAs daily. Second, you'd need to continue your BCAA supplement regimen over the long term to see significant muscle protective benefits. This also means taking the supplement every day instead of only on days that you exercise. Third, how frequently you take the supplement may be a factor. In other words, splitting your total daily dose into 2 or more doses, such as before and after exercise, may be beneficial. Did you know your BCAA might come from bird feathers or human hair? The use of these materials in branched chain amino acids, BCAAs, has been purposefully hidden by the supplement industry for a long time. Hundreds of years ago, healers and doctors discovered that these materials are naturally high in keratin. Keratin, in simplest form, is a fibrous protein and is responsible for our hair and skin sticking together and not just falling apart. Keratin is essentially pure protein. By using certain acids and solvents, you can easily yield proteins and amino acids from keratin. Currently, most of these BCAAs are coming out of China, and that's why it's important to know where and how your supplements are manufactured. In 2013, a separate study by the American Journal of Food Sciences found that the Chinese market for BCAAs, where most brands purchase from due to the low prices, has become notorious for using pig fur and duck feathers as the source of their amino acids. So, as a consumer you must check your BCAA supplement label. If any supplement is vegan then it will be mentioned very clearly on the label. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Take care.